self-cooking for healthy living. Let us join and cook the most popular dish, pepper chicken masala from South India. This dish is also known as Chettinadu pepper chicken masala. So let us begin. So I have taken 7 Kashmiri chilies, 3 tablespoons of peppercorn, 6 tablespoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of cumin seed, 2 teaspoons of fennel seed, and garam masala. I am going to dry roast it along with the other spices, 2 bay leaf, 8 clove, 8 cardamom and cinnamon stick. Let us begin. Let the pan get hot. Cinnamon stick, 8 cardamom, 8 clove and bay leaf 2 cut into pieces. Let the cumin seed in, peppercorn in, coriander seeds in and the fennel seeds in. I can smell the very nice aroma from the spices we have done. So these are our fried spices. We are going to grind this and make it fine powder. This is our grinded powder. Now we will begin our cooking. I have taken 1 kg of chicken cut and washed, half cup of gingerly oil. You can use any oil what you have with you, any cooking oil will do. Now our oil is hot. I will add the shallots to it. And we will fry the shallots until it is golden brown. Onions are turning to the golden brown in color. This time I will add the turmeric powder, half teaspoon, garlic paste 2 teaspoon, ginger paste 1.5 teaspoon. And saute a little. The raw smell from the ginger and garlic should go off. At this stage we will add the tomatoes to it. I have finely chopped the 2 medium sized tomatoes and we will fry these tomatoes. Tomatoes are well done and this is the right time for me to put the salt, 1.5 teaspoon, and 1 kg chicken cut and washed. I will add the 100 ml of water, and if need comes we can add the water at later stage. Our chicken is cooked. I have cooked the chicken for 20 minutes. Now at this stage I will add some curry leaves to it and grinded spices. This was the masala. Initially we prepared, we fried those. Little more curry leaves in this. Keep it covered for next 5 to 10 minutes on very slow flame. And we'll come back and see. Let us open and see. Wow, our chicken pepper masala has come out excellent. This is what is the Chettinadu pepper chicken masala. What a perfect combination. Wow. I'll turn off the flame and keep it closed for 3 minutes, then we will open it and we will serve. and we'll see how it has come. I guarantee you it will be one of the perfect dish for you. Wow. We'll transfer this one. So this is our Chettinadu pepper chicken masala. Try it out. All the best.